Okay, in this video I am going to show you where to find some good resources and some tips for writing your literature review and using APA format. Let's go to Content and then scroll down. And the first tab that I like to use is APA format. And you'll find that I've had two links here, but I think the most important one and most useful to you will be APA sample paper, which is from the AlPurdue APA website. So click on this and you can go through it and look at all of the APA formatting that's necessary. This is exactly what your paper should look like, of course, without the boxes. It shows you how to do your header on each page. And scroll through it and look. It'll show you how to do your headings, if you do different kinds of headings, and also your references. And this paper is a little shorter than the one you're writing for my class. However, it is a great example of what perfect APA formatting looks like, and I recommend using it as you write, or at least to make sure your paper models after that format. The next tab, Useful Resources. This is mostly links to give you further instruction on how to write academic papers, how to tell credible sources from non-credible sources, and then probably the one you're most interested in, literature review samples and tips. I have the APA sample paper linked in here as well, but I think the one of most interest to you would be the student sample paper. So it's written by an actual student in which the student made an A, and this is a good example of what content should look like. Make sure you download it into Word so you can see my comments. I didn't change any of the errors in the paper. I just left what I had graded on there so you could see how I grade. She had turned in her work early for revision for each of the sections, so she didn't really have much to change by the time she got to her final paper, which is my goal in this class, for you to have your drafts and then turn in a paper nearly error-free. And this is good to use for content, not so much, it's still good APA, but look at your APA sample paper manual for APA. But go through these and they should help you understand more of what I'm looking for in your assignments. Okay, we're all done here.